Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install the Python. So we are going to install Python. The latest version is 3.13.5. For this, we'll go to the browser and we'll type Python. It will redirect to the number of web pages. Out of that, we will select the first one, that is python.org. Click on this first link. Now you can see it showing the download Python 3.13.5, which is the latest version for this window. Click on this. It will install the exe file. Once it is installed, click on this. We need to check this use admin privileges and add Python exe to path. That means there is no need of resetting the path. So we'll go for the customization installation. Click on this. Now these are the different softwares it is going to install, like documentation. Pip is the command where you want to install, suppose any libraries related with your programs, you can install by using the pip command. Likewise, it is also installing ideally, which is a uh, development environment where you can type the programs. So we'll keep the others as it is and we'll click on the next button. Now we'll select the first one, install Python 3.13 for all users, and we'll keep the other things. Now you can check the path. The Python 3, this latest version is installing under C colon program files and the software. So we click on this. It is asking to allow the make changes. Yes. It takes few seconds to install the software. See, Python installation software is very simple steps. Hardly we need to select 2, 3 selection buttons, then it will install the software. Few more seconds. Once it is done, it will prompt the message that Python is installed successfully. Setup was successful. Click on close. Now, if you want to check whether it is installed or not, just go for the command prompt. In start button, you have to type CMD and you have to select this command prompt. Click on this. Now here, if I want to check the Python install or not, you have to write Python hyphen and you have to type version and enter. Now, if the Python is installed, then it will show the latest version of the Python. Okay, like we have installed Python 3.13.5. That means what? In your machine now you have Python installation. Okay, and another command is py. If you type pi, then it will open the Python editor. It goes into the Python. Suppose if I want to add two numbers, you can write like 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 directly. Enter. See, you are getting the answer. That means what the Python editor is running, code is executing in the Python. Suppose if I want to print any name, like I'll print my name here, Venugopal, and if I enter here, it will printing the Venugopal. That means what? This is the check condition whether your Python is working or not. Similarly, if you want to check, like I said, this is installing the ideally also, just type in the start button, ideally. Now click on this first one. This is the Python editor, right? Ideally, where you can type again the same command like print. It's like a notepad only. Hello. And enter. Just printing hello. Even if you want, you can save this file also. You just go to the file and click on save. And wherever you want to save, suppose I'm saving this is on a desktop or downloads. In downloads, I'll check and I'll write like it's a demo program. So automatically it takes the Python files extension. The Python files extension is .py. Okay. If I'll save this, now this file is saved with the name of demo. Okay. Now you can see here on the task on the title bar demo.py. Okay. So that's it. Simple. And if you want to check whether it is stored on desktop or not, just I'll minimize all my tabs and you can check out here on my desktop demo. Hmm, to check desktop or download. Sorry, in my download, I will see this is the demo file. If I click, it will open in the either if I want to open in a Python, you can open. Again, it will open the same file. This one. So that's it for today. I just showed how to install this Python on your machine. So you please install by seeing the simple steps. For again, the next programs and the other things, we will continue with the other videos. Okay, so keep on watching. Thank you.